Combining groups of columns with Boolean values to create multiple new columns. I was wondering how I can create new columns based on old ones by multiplying two groups of them in my data frame. So if I have A, B, and X, Y. Now I want this to result in 4 extra columns, of which only the one that has both true is true. In my situation, the groups are bigger, so I'm looking for a solution that can be used by using the two lists of column headers, A, B, and X, Y. I have tried list comprehension, but I cannot get it to work. Sad face.
Use itertools.product to get the Cartesian product of column names, then use series.mul inside a list comprehension to create corresponding column products. Finally, use pd.concat to concat these products with df. Result.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.